Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Maria. You know what? She's a robot. Robots need a couple of things. Robots need code for them to move. First of all, let's turn Miss Maria on. Boop.
I am a robot.
It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Now, what we're going to do is we are going to write some code on our whiteboards to make Miss Maria move. I'm going to code her arm to go up, to the left, and then down. Ready? Go! That's pretty good code. Should we do some more complicated code outside? Come on, let's go. Come on, robot. Okay, boys and girls, here we are at the hopscotch with the robot Miss Maria, and we're going to code her to hop forward all the way to the number 7. So, I'm going to code her to go forward to the 1, and then go forward again, then forward again, and again, and I think that's it. Let's try. Miss Maria, go. Forward, 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 forward. Yes! She did it. She's a great robot. Okay, so now we've got our race car on a racetrack, and Miss Maria is going to try and code it through the track.
So, I want my robot or my car to move forward, turn right, forward, forward, turn left, forward, forward, turn left, forward, forward. So now I'm going to try out my code all together. So I move forward, turn right, forward, forward, turn left, forward, 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 turn left, and I'm almost at the finish line. I move forward and forward.
Well done, Miss Maria. Great coding.
So now F3, you need to find a toy or a car or create something from Lego. You need to get it to move using code. So get your whiteboard and your pen, and you can draw out your code and your set of instructions for your toy. We can't wait to see what you create.